2 rounds done already. One is magic ring 6, the middle one, and then this one is all increase. Is all together will be 12. Increase. Each chain got 2 single crochets. Now we're going to the third round. Third round is 1 here, and the next one will be 2. Same. Go round until the black marker. Round 4 is all single crochet. It's done. Now round 5 is here 1, next one is 1, and then in the same chain 2. Do this until you reach the black color thread. Round 6 is all done. It's nothing, all is single crochet only, no increase, no nothing. So now round 7 is 1, 1, 2, 3, then increase. Do 6 times till you reach the black color thread. Done round 8. Round 8 is all single crochet only. And now we're going to round 9. Round 9 is 4. Go to 4, 1 single here, 2, next one 3, and the next one 4. 4 already. The next one will be increase. Do this 6 times up to here, and then round 10 to round 15 is all single crochet. This is how it looks like when it's finished round 17. Now we're going to round 18. Round 18 is kind of a bit different. Go to 8 single crochets, seven, 8. 8. Ready? Now hook and hold. Reduce. Do this 3 times and go around to the black color thread. My dog is eating, I think. It's making noise. And then round 19, all single crochets. Now we are going to round 20. Go on to 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then reduce. Hook and hook, reduce. And then we go to until the black color thread, and around 21 is all single crochet like that. Then round 22 is go on to 6 single crochet, then decrease. So we go 3 times and all that. until you keep on reduce until 5, and then round 25 will be same, will be all single crochets, and then after that I'll show you what to do. I will put on the pattern there, and then you will know what it is. I have put stuff in the fiber in ready. Look, it is round 25 ready I made. Now the next one is this one. You don't call it as 1, 2, 3 or anything. No, not 25. You cannot say 26 or anything. This is, you count it as 1. This will be, you go to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A chain, and you turn, keep going to this side. It will be 7 also. Keep going until line 4. From here will be 7. This is line 2 already, until the black color here ready. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then turn 1 chain. There's a mistake mine there. I think I'll unpick and do again, and keep going for 7 again. It should be 4 lines. We did the feet, same as this. Now we're going to do the leg here and the thighs. And we turn. It will be like that. So you turn 7 single crochet, skip this one, go to the next one, do descent. Do 2 descent here, 1, and here descent. Then go on to 9 single crochets. 6, 7, 8, 9. This back thread, you remove it first, then 2 descent. Here take decrease. Keep saying descent, and here decrease, and that's 1 line ready. You call this first line, then you put the marker here. just put one single crochet there so this black marker thread won't go away. Now this one we'll put one ready here, all single crochet to there, do 15. This is going to be second round, up to 15 rounds. Now this is there, round 2 rounds 15 is, this is how it is. So now we're going to do is round 16. Round 16 is going to be there, then increase, do 6 times. Six times ready. There is going to be always going to be extra 2 there. Always going to be extra 2. So like that, just leave it like that. The next round is round 17. It's all single crochet until you reach the black color thread. Now round 17 finish, it's all single crochet. Now round 18. Round 18 is go to 3, 3, and then increase. Do 6 times like that, and then there will be extra 2 chain, and then do single crochet. That's it. And then round 19 is all single crochet. Now you count this one, the one you cut already. Where is it? It's already there. You count this knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So you put the 18 one. So together, that's the leftover thread, you know, the one I left it longer. Then each of it you sew it up until you reach this knot. One by one, take this one and take this one, you sew. I sew the foot already. Look at it. From here to here, count to round 10. You put it far away. How far? You see, got 3 stitches there or 4. Put it 4 apart. It's better. 4 apart. The part 2 leg is I shorten up the round 2 to round 12 one is actually in the video would be round 2 to round 15. I shortened it up a bit, 3. So you want to follow the video, you can follow the video or you can follow this chart.